Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So, this is a collective reading for the next 48 hours. Take what resonates, leave the rest. I've started doing um, New Year reading. So, if you want to check, you can check my description box. I have put all the details there. And this is going to be in Hindi and English mix. So, let's begin. Let's see what do we have for you guys. I've already pulled a few cards and I'm going to clarify these cards in front of you. So, yeah. Talking about the present energies, I do feel that there's going to be some completion. Probably either you have been in some kind of third party situation or you have been in some kind of illusion. Okay, और मुझे honestly ऐसा भी लग रहा है that your person has been in some kind of illusion. They have been using a lot of their mind. Okay, probably they had trust issues or this person is very logical that you dealing with. And ये जो person है, ये person बहुत ज़्यादा logically सोचते हैं, ये बहुत ज़्यादा analyze करते हैं. This person can be too critical at times as well. They're very sharp with their words, so they're very straightforward, very sharp. They, of course, they're intelligent as well, but sometimes instead of using their wisdom, they use their intellect more. They would use logic more. They would give more importance to logic. So when it comes to you, this person has been using a lot of their mind, completely head oriented rather than being heart oriented. But now I do sense that all of this is going to be it will fade away. Okay, basically it's like now this person is going to understand that they do have a lot of emotions for you. They feel very deeply for you, but the only thing was they did not want to accept it. Okay, they were suppressing their feelings towards you by being too logical, okay, or by being rude with you. Because for some, I do feel that this person can be very rigid, or you may feel that this person is stubborn, this person doesn't think about you, this person doesn't care about you, this person came out as someone who's very rude, okay, that kind of person. But now this person is going to understand, and even you will see that that was a complete illusion, that was complete a false narrative that this person has been setting, and this is going to be you know uh, come into some kind of completion. Okay, because I think you both were going through some kind of spiritual cycle with each other, and especially with this person. But now finally things are becoming better, things are going to heal. Okay, probably you needed some time for yourself to understand this connection better, and even this person needed some time to understand their feelings for you. And now they do feel that you both are like lovebirds. Okay, they have a lot of love for you. They want to, I don't know why, but I do feel that this person wants to act very cheesy with you, and they want to do all the clingy stuff and all the clumsy stuff and all the romantic stuff and all the cheesy stuff, all that PDA and stuff. But it's just that this person hesitates to do so because this is something that they have never done. Okay, or probably this is the side that they have never shown to anyone. So that is the reason why this person hesitates so much. Okay, and now this person is understanding what they have been doing, and this person also understands that you are not going to take their sneaky behavior. Okay, ऐसा हो सकता है कि ये जो पर्सन है ये थोड़ा सा इनडायरेक्ट अप्रोच के साथ आपके पास आ रहे थे, आपको हिंट्स देने की कोशिश कर रहे थे या कुछ भी ऐसा. बट दे आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट यू आर नॉट समवन हु इज गोइंग टू put yourself into any kind of trouble or any kind of confusion. So that confusion, illusion, whatever it may be, that is definitely ending. Let's clarify. Let's see what do we have here. This person is also understanding that you are okay being single. You are okay even if this person is not there in your life. Okay, they have been observing you a lot, they have been observing your journey, they have been observing your life, and they have found out that you are really happy in your own life. They have found out that you are happily single. Okay, and that is something which is making their love stronger, more intense. There's more intensity in their love, because I think, firstly, I think this person, earlier this person felt that you can be someone who is codependent, okay, or you can become codependent, okay. But now this person is like, oh my god, my this viewer or ABC person is really enjoying their life, and they do not really bother about whether I'm there in their life or not. And this is something which is really tempting them, okay. I don't know if this is love or not, but definitely you are like a huge temptation for this person, and this person feels that they are actually falling in love with you. Then with the moon, we have Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and Eight of Pentacles. Here I do think that if this person has been putting you on some kind of wait, or they have been asking you to wait for something or anything of that sort, now this person is going to end that waiting period. Now this person is definitely coming towards you. And I also feel that in the next 48 hours, you also need to be a bit mindful about your work, okay, because there is someone who is creating some kind of delays in your work life, or some kind of delays in your project. And this can cause some kind of harm, okay, or this can cause some kind of loss in your work. So if someone tells you that, okay, you can do this, you don't have to work hard, or anything of that sort, where someone makes you wait for something, please do not trust this person, okay. You are being asked to be really passionate in your work. You are being asked to work really hard in your work, because you will get rewards for that, and the reward is going to be worth it. So do not listen to anyone, do not bring any kind of delay or any kind of pause in your work life, okay. Then we have the World here, which for that we have Eight of Wands, Three of Wands, and Five of, sorry, wait, I think it was like this, yes, and Five of Swords. So definitely, like I said, that all this ego wala thing is coming into completion, okay. This person was showing some kind of ego to you, ठीक है, और अब इस person की जो ego है वो universe crush कर रहे हैं इस person की ego को. And I think ये ego कहीं ना कहीं इसलिए भी थी that this person kind of got bullied in the past, or probably they got rejected by someone, rejected, they have faced some kind of rejection in their life, and because of that this person kind of became very defensive, okay, always having that wall, always being very defensive, always having that attitude, that arrogance, and all of this energy, okay. But now I do feel that there's going to be a huge change. There's going to be you will see some kind of improvement when it comes to this person. And I do feel that this person is going to use their wisdom over their ego. Then we have King of Wands, we have the World, and we have Page of Pentacles. So now this person is taking you very seriously, okay. And when this person takes you seriously, now I feel that you're ready to see this person, okay. Now you're ready to meet this person, now you're ready to see what this person has to offer, now you're ready to heal this relationship as well, okay. And I think that if you had any kind of fear in the past when it comes to this person, whether this person is serious or not, whether you are feeling safe with this person or not, now you're going to feel safe in this connection. Now you will your body will feel safe when it comes to this person. You will feel at peace when it comes to this person. With the immediate future, we have Ace of Wands, we have Two of Swords, Hermit, and Justice. I do feel that you might take some time out when it comes to this person, or any kind of energy for that matter, because for some of you, you are about to get very busy in your career, okay. Either there's a new project which is coming your way, or there's going to be a lot of work, and I see you doing your work very passionately. I see you taking your work, your life purpose very passionately. So you might not have a lot of time to give to this person or to any other thing in your life other than your life purpose, other than your work. But at the same time, I also feel that that you will have some kind of confusion, okay, and this confusion can either be between two people, okay, where someone new is coming and there's this old energy as well, or confused about whether this person is trustworthy or not, something related to trust, okay, whether I can trust them, whether I can trust the situation, should I trust this person or should I trust that person. So that kind of trust issues is definitely something that you will be dealing with in the immediate future. So instead of talking to anyone, instead of going for tarot readings and guidance and this and that, I do feel that you will be you will be choosing to meditate, you will choose to have your alone time and contemplate the situation, see what the situation is bringing, what the person is bringing, what the situation is demanding, what your life is demanding right now. And honestly, instead of seeking for any kind of external help or any kind of sign from the universe, this is the time where you are being asked to spend a lot of time with yourself. You're being asked to spend time in aloneness will bring so many intuitive downloads that you cannot even imagine. And finally we end with justice. So definitely you will be able to give yourself justice, okay, you will be able to give justice to the situation, to the person involved, to yourself, and definitely it will happen with the help of universe, okay. But let's clarify all the 4 cards. Okay. So with Ace of Wands, we have Ace of Cups. Like I said, that there's some new energy which is definitely coming your way. Okay, this person can be either Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. All right, and another thing that I see is I also see something related to pregnancy, something related to birth of a child. If you have any kind of regrets or if you have any kind of disappointment why the baby is not happening, or whether a certain choice was or a certain decision was correct or not, so definitely you took the right decision, and whatever that is happening in your life, you haven't missed out on anything, everything is happening according to God's plan. Then we have Two of Swords, and with that we have the Star, we have 5 of Wands, वी हैव जस्टिस. आई डू फील कि आपके दिमाग में किसी टाइप की एक फाइटिंग चल रही है, ठीक है, और ये जो फाइटिंग है वो ये है कि पहली चीज़ तो ये है दैट वेदर यू गोइंग टू गेट व्हाट यू डिज़र्व और नॉट, एंड दूसरा जो एक डिलेमा चल रहा है, फाइटिंग चल रही है, वो ये है कि आपकी जो विशेस हैं वो पूरी होंगी या नहीं होंगी, आपकी विशेस पूरी होंगी या नहीं होंगी, आपको अच्छा कर्मा मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, इन चीज़ों को लेके काफ़ी ज़्यादा बैटल चलती हुई दिख रही है. बट एट द सेम टाइम यूनिवर्स इज सेइंग दैट येस डेफिनेटली यू गोइंग टू गेट what you have wished for, okay. You will also get reward for your karmas, because I think आप ऐसे काफ़ी लोगों के लिए ना आपकी डेस्टिनी से ज़्यादा आपके कर्मा ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप क्या कर्म कर रहे हो, आप किस इंटेंशन के साथ वो कर्म कर रहे हो, वो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. एंड वहाँ पे डेफिनेटली एक जजमेंट लगती हुई दिख रही है, वहाँ पे यूनिवर्स आपको कुछ जस्टिस देते हुए दिख रहे हैं, ओके. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई डू फील दैट I don't know why, but I do feel that there's someone who wants to talk to you. There's someone who wants to know you. There's someone who wants to interact with you. But at the same time, right now, your body is asking you to give more time to yourself than talking to anyone. Okay, so at least give yourself a good break for next 48 hours or for 2 to 3 days. Be in your energy, center yourself. Okay, and then prepare yourself to talk to this person, okay. And for some it can be some kind of opportunity as well, okay, some financial opportunities there, but do not take that decision very quickly. Give it some time, sleep on it, and then go ahead with the decision, whatever decision you take. And whatever decision you're going to take, universe is saying it is going to be absolutely right, okay. You will be on the right path eventually, okay. You will be able to give justice to yourself. And for others, for some, not for others, but I do feel it's a very specific message for some. If someone has recently broken your heart, or if you feel that your heart is still broken, or you have some kind of fear whether whether you will find love or not in your life. So some kind of solid commitment is definitely on its way. Okay, and this person is going to take care of you financially as well. This person is going to take care of you, they will take your responsibility. So a very traditional kind of relationship is what I see in the cards. And for some, I also feel that if you have been wanting to study abroad, or if you have been wanting to take up or sign up for some kind of higher education, for some kind of course which is kind of expensive, and you might not have that much of money for that, so you don't have to worry about it. Universe is going to create a way. And if there's any kind of financial pinch or any kind of financial crisis, universe is going to take care of this situation. Okay, so you don't have to worry. That was your reading. I hope it helps. Bye bye.